Hello beautiful people and welcome to another masterpiece of Marbella. 5 bedrooms, 5+1 bathrooms, sauna, gym, a pool of course, furniture, kitchen, everything is about to be loved. So I totally love it. Just enjoy the video. Forget to like and subscribe to my beautiful channel. And if you have any recommendation, if you have anything to say to me, if I didn't do anything good, please just give me your feedback, because otherwise I cannot improve myself other than letting me know. Thank you. So thank you so much for watching. This was an amazing villa. I just love the vibe and the touch it gives you, the feeling it gives you. Big parking spot in the front. Also the area itself, the pool, the gym and the sauna as well. What is not to love about it? Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, Andi Vee, and I just love it.